GigaDevice, as a leading global fabless semiconductor supplier, provides advanced MCU, flash, sensor, and analog products and solutions. Now, for the first time ever, GigaDevice brings to its customers the new and exciting XD multi-dimensional series evaluation platform, utilizing multiple GigaDevice products to provide customer the possibility of evaluating multiple hardware and software combinations all in one kit. The GD-XD-W515 EVAL board is the first evaluation board in XD series development platform based on the GD32W515 MCU product series. The EVAL board includes GigaDevice MCU, flash, PMU, and sensor products. With a combination of different GigaDevice products, the EVAL board provides solutions to users in different application fields, such as smart home human-machine interface, smart door lock, and portable device control. GD-XD-W515 EVAL board is powered by either battery or mini USB interface of GD-Link. The evaluation hardware platform consists of a main board and two hot pluggable daughter boards for fingerprint sensor usage and LCD display capability. The main board is divided into two functional areas, the main function part and the GD-Link part. The main function part includes one 32-bit ARM Cortex M33 MCU as main control unit, 128 megabit NOR flash, battery charger IC, LDO, and other functions such as TSI touch key, LEDs, vibration motor, temperature sensor, mic and connectors of LCD display, fingerprint board, battery, high power output, and micro USB for charging and firmware update. The GD-Link part is used for MCU on-chip debugging, flash programming, and one of ways to supply power the board via mini USB interface. The fingerprint board, integrating one GigaDevice fingerprint sensor, is used to capture fingerprint data. The board can be connected to mainboard via the fingerprint connector and communicates with MCU through SPI interface. The LCD board, integrating one 0.96-inch OLED, displays indication information such as fingerprint control, battery status. The LCD board can be connected to mainboard via LCD connector and communicates with MCU through SPI interface. GD-XD-W515 EVAL board can realize USB voltage monitoring, battery charging, voltage and power monitoring, flexible switching power supply, touch and fingerprint control, multi-dimensional information indication, and application support. Privacy and security. Security authentication algorithm and encryption algorithm based on GigaDevice fingerprint sensor and MCU. The EVAL board supports fingerprint enrollment, secure fingerprint authentication, and fingerprint data deletion. High-efficiency battery charging. Up to 1.5 amperes fast battery charging current via micro USB interface. Accurate battery power estimation. Battery charging and discharging current and voltage detection with optimization of battery power calculation algorithm. System protection. USB power on wake-up and voltage monitoring. Battery voltage and power monitoring. Fast and secure data access. Onboard small package 128 megabit NOR flash to fast store and read UI and user data via QSPI interface. The data can be encrypted, decrypted by CAU module of MCU. Touch operation. A capacitive touch key controlled by MCU TSI provides easy and fast operation. Multi-dimensional information indication. One flat vibration motor, multi-channel LEDs, and one LCD screen to achieve accurate and multi-dimensional information indication. Multi-dimensional application support. High-sensitivity mic to wake up MCU and ensure the time-sensitive system response. One high-power port to support high-power components, for example, heating coil. Onboard debug and programming. Onboard GD-Link to support on-chip debug and flash programming. GD-XD-W515 EVAL board combines GigaDevice's multiple products and takes advantages of hardware and software optimization to provide high reliable and efficient solutions for your design. For more information, please visit our website www.gigadevice.com. GD-XD-W515 EVAL board. GigaDevice. Empower better living through technological innovation.